channel with me, Ms.Feni. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make transparent and bouncy egg with simple materials that you can get at home. So don't waste your time, watch this video until the end. And before you watch, don't forget to subscribe my channel. For this experiment, we need to prepare this raw egg, vinegar, and cup.
First of all, we put raw egg inside the empty glass, slowly and carefully. And then we pour the vinegar inside the cup or glass until all the part of the egg covered with vinegar. Now let's see closer. Wow, can you see the bubbles over there? Yes, this shows that the experiment is working. There is a chemical reaction between eggshell with the vinegar. We will leave this about 3 days until the shell gone, and then slowly take the eggshell from the vinegar and then wash it carefully. Here is the result. Now you can play with your transparent and bouncy egg. Wow, it's so cool. You can make your own, guys.
So what happened in this experiment? The eggshell is actually made up of calcium carbonate. When you put this eggshell inside vinegar, they will form chemical reaction that dissolve the calcium carbonate from the shell. When the acetic acid reacts with the calcium carbonate, they will form carbon dioxide gas also, as you see bubbles on the eggshell. So that's all our experiment today. If you like this video, don't forget to give your thumbs